So John, I think we're almost getting there. I just have to build a carriage for this, which will cause it to, you can slide in and out. Okay, this is the center point on the radius. So based on the distance that we want, this is going to have an end mill. And then this thing will run pretty high speed. So the idea would be that we can just do something like this. I mean, obviously this is not set up straight here. Right about here. That's the whole idea. So there's some fine tuning that I gotta do. But I mean, it's a basically simple thing. It just took me a while to figure out how I'm gonna do it. So the next thing is I gotta make a mount for this, which is gonna go on top of this, which will be something that will cause it, you know, you can go slide all the way up if you want to go concave, and if you want to go convex, you can slide this guy back out, and reference point is this, your center point here. So I think I'm almost there. I just have to make this thing, and then I gotta do the electronics and get that one to work, and mounting for the base. Yeah, I mean, this thing works really nice. I got, what do you call, taper thrust bearings in there. I mean, this thing is just sweet. And if you, and the best thing about this one is the way this is designed. I can loosen up this nut, and I can take this guy, let me show you, to adjust this thing. I can loosen up this nut. Now I should be able to see. I can take this thing out. I can raise the height, lower, up or low. I can use it on a big mill, big lathe or smaller lathe. So later on down the road, I probably will set up a servo motor, which will cause it to go on its own back and forth as the radius cuts. But I think for right now, what I'm trying to do is make sure when we put the part in one sweep, which is going to be basically the half of this, and in one sweep, guess what? We get the radius done. Take the next part, put the next part in, one sweep, radius done. Instead of going back and forth, which is very time consuming. So hopefully this is going to make it faster. Anyway, long video, give you an idea. Almost there.